Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with an update. I have made some modification and I have created this the script and applied on all of these sheets. So this is F4, F3, F1. I think F2 is missing. So if you can share the F2 as well, I'll apply the code on that as well. I've cleaned up the sheets too, so that the process will get expedite and there will be no lags in between. So let me clean up this so quick. Okay, so how this is going to work. So here, obviously, the yellow cell, you can input the values in it and then press this button. As soon as you press this button, the data will get pushed in the host tag. If the data is already available, the same email address is already available in this list, that data will get updated. Otherwise, the data will get updated, appended at the bottom. So let me see. This is the email address. This email address is already present. So let me delete this. I have added another functionality which will take the sheet name as well, so that you can identify the entry is coming from which sheet, like FO1, FO2, FO3, F4, FO4. So now let me show you. If I'll press this button, you will see another value, a new entry has been entered in here, and this is showing you the list, the source of the file. So this is you can identify. Okay, you are getting the right result in here. So let me go to the FO4. Let me make some modification in here to the QQQ and push the data, and you can see, so F4 have updated the data with comms QQQ. Let me give you a demo with the FO1 as well. So if I'll make a change 1, 2, 3 in here and push the data to host tag. Okay, FO1 was already updated. So, but obviously we have a new email address, so it's a new entry. Let me show you FO3. Let me add so many ones in here, and let's take you to the host tag, and here you will see usually. Okay, let me see about that. Oh yeah, so once you'll be running the script for the first time, it's going to ask you for the authorizations. Do it in here. Yep. So let me run it again. So once you will be running this for the first time, it will ask you for the authorization. So if I'll click on this button, this will ask me for the authorization. This is a normal procedure of Google. It will just ask you through which account you want to process this, whatever the changes you are making on the sheet, through which account you want. So you have to allow that, okay, I want to use this account to make these changes on these sheets. You have to click on advanced, go to the left bottom option, and then go to the right bottom option as allow. So once done, then you'll press this button again maybe, and you will see a new entry FO3 in here. So now I'm going to add another functionality. I just want to ask you and confirm you that once the data has been entered from here, I think these should get clear so that no one has to select and clear. So I can add this option in within the code. So as soon as the data got transferred to the host tag, this will get cleared. Let me add that functionality and get back to you as soon. Okay, so let me continue from where we left. So we were working on the host tag, and if it is a dummy data, let me clear a few entries which I just made. I'll clear all of these. So I'll get back, I'll take you to the old tags. And here you can see once we have the data, and this data is not already available in the host tag, you can see no finds. So what I'll do, let me delete these and find again. Okay, we do not have that. Okay, now I'll push this button and this data will get updated in the host tag, and the data will get cleared as well. So you can see just pushed it, data got cleared. It means the data has got pushed, and here is FO1 transferred in here. Okay, now let me take you to this second one. Push the data. Data will get transferred in this from FO3 and will get clear as well, so that you can enter a new data in here. Similarly with this one, click, go back to the sheet. A new data is here from FO4, and FO4 got cleared as well. So all this done. Now let me take you back to the schedule. So once the data is here, schedule will get pull all the relevant information. So if you will delete anything, it won't work because there is only the formulas in the first cell. So yep, all of these data are getting pulled in. Let me check if I can have a quick test. So obviously this email address is not present because I have modified these addresses on the other sheets. So let's suppose if we have an email address in here, you'll see as soon as I enter the email address, it will pull the relevant information from the same tab. So let me enter a dummy data in here. Test name, test last name, address is, let's suppose, www.xyz.com. City tag, that's again NY, that's W80. The identity is James Bond. Let's push the data and let's see what happens. So we have another data 007 from the FO1 data handling at gmail.com. And let me take this email address from here and take it in this sheet. So once, if the new data handling at gmail.com, so you can see the number has got pulled in, but it didn't pull the other information. Let me find why. Do we have another? Nope, we do not have. Let me try one more time. Am I checking C2? Yep, C2 is there. We should have some results in here. Let me see and get back. All right, that was a quick fix. Let me delete the data handling again and let me take back the data handling. So as soon as you will enter the data handling at gmail.com, let me change this name to data handling at gmail.com and no data is pulled. Now I'll go back to the host tag and modify the email address data handling at gmail.com so that it can pull the relevant data here. So you can see all of these things are working. You can push the data from FO1 to 1, 3, and 4. You can share the file FO2 and I'll make the modification accordingly. And yep, I think everything is good. Looking forward for your review. Please do leave a feedback. Thank you. Take care. Bye.